Hey everyone, fellow HCG protocol people. Happy Thanksgiving week. Just sitting here doing some loose ends, getting ready for the festive, getting some business taken care of. And it just kind of came to mind, it's been on my mind thinking about this, that when Dawn and I were doing the protocol, and we'd come up on a holiday, we always had the dilemma on what we were going to do. Either we were going to cheat and just eat the house, or stay on the protocol and just eat what we'd be normally eating on the protocol, with their high in proteins and no starches or sugars. But it's tough. It's really hard, and I know by now you've probably all realize you're either going to throw in the towel. You're kind of looking around. You're going, oh my gosh, who's watching? I'm on this protocol and I'm going to cheat. You know what? You've already made up your mind. It's what you're going to do. The next couple minutes, I'm just going to kind of tell you, how to do it. Okay. The thing that we found that we had the most success with, a couple days before the holiday. You're coming up on the hardest one, Thanksgiving. So it seems like you get up in the morning and you eat all day on Thanksgiving. Well, we go for our walk in the afternoon after dinner, but yet you still eat so much, and then you're scared to death to get on the scale the next day. You know what? Like I said, I'm going to kind of go over something here that I think will kind of take that off your shoulders a little bit. Like I said, you're probably already planning on doing it anyway, so go ahead today, starting today, it's Tuesday, the 20th of November. I'd go ahead and stop taking in the HCG. You want probably the least amount of HCG in your body as you can get when it comes to that time of eating. Then don't do it again tomorrow, Wednesday, and then of course do not do it on Thursday either. And go ahead and be sensible with what you're eating. The HCG protocol that Colin and Janie Watson designed does not have any sugars or starches in it. So, really try to minimize those. And just you're going to focus on your proteins, high on the proteins, and drink a lot of water. I can't emphasize that enough. If you don't do anything right with what I'm talking about at all, please make sure you drink lots of water. Try to drink about a gallon of water throughout the day. You're thinking, whoa, a gallon of water. No, really. Try to drink about a gallon of water throughout the day. Because you're going to be drinking coffee and pop and that kind of stuff. Try to stay away from the pops and things like that. Drink lots of water. Start from the get-go, from the morning to nighttime. Just cut back on your sugars and starches. If you're not going to cut them out altogether, at least minimize them then. And that way you're minimizing, if there are any kind of gains at all, you're going to minimize those. Okay? Because keep in mind, with doing this, with already making your mind up that you're going to throw the towel in for the day, you've already accepted that you're probably going to have some gains. And you might. I'm not going to sit here and tell you you're not going to. But let's minimize those as much as we can. Because starting Friday morning, you want to be back on the protocol. You want to be taking your HCG at the normal time you took it, and you want to go back to the eating that you were doing on the protocol previous. Okay? So with all that said, make sure you exercise. I mean, nothing wrong with starting the day with some good weight training, or if you're doing the 750 calories that day, make sure you do some kind of physical training. Do a little bit of weight training or resistance training, something like that. And then, later on that afternoon, go for a good walk or a good bicycle ride or something. Take the dog for a walk. If you're here in Colorado, believe me, it's beautiful weather. You'll be able to do it. I think pretty much all over the United States is pretty nice this time of year still. So with all that said, happy Thanksgiving from the Armstrong household. I hope you're day goes awesome. I hope you spend a great time with your friends, family, and relatives. And happy Thanksgiving. And eat smart. Because remember, it's you that's got to pay the price. So make it a really small. Have a good day.